Hello guys, this is Chandra Prakash and today I am here on my hometown and I am taking walk in the morning and it's 7 a.m. and see the view guys. As you can see it's raining heavily since last night and the farming field has been filled with water completely, and as you can see it's very peaceful to see the things around. There's no one out except me on the road and it's completely fun. So I would say if you are avoiding walk on a rainy day, then you should go for a walk on rainy day because there's no one out there except you on the rainy day and you can do whatever you want, as I am shooting a vlog like this, which I usually don't do while there are people on the road. So yeah, it's fun really. Thank you.